have a dog's life. Maayong buntag. Good morning. Welcome to our Mindanao Dream. Build day 8. Sir Patrick and Sir Oting working on getting the drain and that water line out of the way of the future door. Finishing getting the scaffolding out of the way. So tonight I will do a shot of the soffit lighting on the house to see how it looks. Inside, so far everybody's been outside. No work done in here. But we did talk about it, trying to get the floor leveled so we can get it prepped for cement. We did some measurements also so we will know how much tile we need for the floor and for the countertops and the splash. If you like talong, tortang talong, we have tons of it in here. There's another one there. They're all over the place. There. That one there. Those aren't ready yet to be picked. That's what I like to see. And the finishing touches here. And then a little grout. We're going to go ahead and have them come out to finish off this landing. The water storage we, I guess, put on hold, or we'll probably prioritize on the kitchen, getting that done, and then come back to this water storage. As a lot more emphasis has been put on the water storage, and it was true because the kitchen has just been basically demolition, and now we're to the point now with all the flooring and stuff gone. We need to start concentrating on the build portion of it now. So that's pretty much what we'll be doing for the rest of this week, and until we get to a certain point, which I don't know where that point is right now. Anyway, so I'll tell later on this afternoon. We will check back and see how things are going. Maayong hapon. Good afternoon. We've come to the end of build day 8, and since we're already in the cucina, we'll start here. As you can see, now They got all the debris out, started laying rebar, and this twine here is to let you know where the height of the slab will be versus where after the finishing or leveling cement comes down in there for the tiles will be on top of that. We got our good old friend right there that caused us a pain in the butt. And our island has turned into a peninsula because of room or the lack thereof. And then this guy here is another reason that we've had to change our plan with the level of the floor. Because with the width of the island coming out, it's 4 feet wide. So, and you need to have, the experts say that you need to have at least, at the minimum of 36 inches walkway or space between an island and a wall or refrigerator or countertops, all that type of stuff. And with the roof going in right there and needing to have from the face of the roof 3 feet, that puts right about here. So from there, if you mark from there 4 feet, you come to about here. So we're gonna have barely 3 feet, 36 to go right to there. So if we were to move the island and make it an island, we wouldn't have the 36 inches on both sides. But what we'll have is the range or in the cooktop stove will be on this side, and then the seating and everything, portion of it, will be on this side. So we have a little diagram right here I have on the wall of what it looks like. So that's where we're at on the Cucina. They've, with doing that, now all this that this here will go back inside the wall, but we need to, I'm not having it exposed like this. Okay, there, and not having this exposed. So I'm gonna bring cement out here, so it won't go all the way to the column, but it'll come out and cover up all of this here. This guy here, we still need to find out if it's buried in the beam, sorry, couldn't think of the word, and over to the load center, or if it's going up into the ceiling in the kissimmee and then coming back down. I don't know. We're gonna have to pull this plywood out. And when we pull the plywood out, I'm gonna have it replaced with, it's like a sheetrock. They have it called a plaster board here. And obviously we're gonna want it probably rated for water because there is water in here. So again, I guess now we're done in the Cucina. Outside where the dirty kitchen is going to be located, we have now located the elbow for the water pipe, and it's right there, just a 90-degree elbow. And then we cut this, they already cut that back. It looks like the pipe just slid out. Oh, that's great. Anyway, so they're gonna have to, they started chipping it away to drag the water and the drain down here, and we don't know exactly, but we pretty much just centered it on the existing wall that's there. So we'll just run our water up there and set the drain in there. So that's where we're at on this one. As you can see outside, there is no more scaffolding. Scaffolding is done. So in a little bit here, I will turn on the lights outside and we'll see what it looks like, or let you see what it looks like. They're digging this part here up so that they can find the rebar so they can attach to it for rebar going up, like this guy right here. Because we're going to just use this existing wall to continue up the wall all the way up. We're going to take this tile out and we'll replace the tile as well. I've been sort of locked out of the water storage area, but the tank is back in place and working. It's filled back up again, at least to a point. The cable or cord for the electrical float slipped down, so it didn't fill it up all the way. It's about half full right now, and we need to pivot the tank up just a little bit to get it level. Is putting a bind down there on that coupling. But the tile is done. The grout is in and it's ready to go. We even tiled the landing here, and that's as far as we're going to go for right now, because we want to concentrate on the kitchen. And then after we've got that, we'll come back to this here. We'll go do the steps, we'll do the landing down there, and they'll be tiled. And then also on either side of that landing, around where you can also you see the CHB there, that's going to be a step, and there will be a step on that other side. And then also this flower bed, we will get it done upright with the CHB and a flower bed. Here there'll be a step down and it'll be curved, just like this one here is curved, and it'll curve all the way around there. So that's going to be it for today, for build day 8 on the water storage, kitchen renovation, and now the interior staircase. So until next time, salamat, God bless.